Hey guys, welcome back to another video guys. So it's now 12:40 a.m. in the morning, 20 minutes to 1 o'clock in the a.m. past midnight, and I'm currently on my way to the airport. Yes guys, that's right. So there is another The Andersons family member coming to Grande Prairie again. They are landing in another couple minutes from now. Settlement services again, so on my way to the airport, taking you guys with me as usual. If you guys are here, please be sure to subscribe, smash a like on this video and leave a comment, right? So I'm on my way to the airport. Everyone in my house is sleeping right now, not on the girls. I'm running to the airport quickly and gonna pick up my friend here. He's moving from Montreal, so Raj is his name. He's moving from Montreal to Grande Prairie for better opportunities, right? He's been in Montreal for like a year now, and things are just not going the way he had hoped that he has been open for. So he's just looking for a fresh start, new beginnings, and of course, Grande Prairie wins again. So come along, guys, as we take on this midnight road trip to the airport.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me. Baby, you and me. There's no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah, we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me, you and me, baby, you and me. You always leave me wanting more, baby, you and me, we're like the perfect storm, and you know that I can't get enough of you, no. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me.
Yes guys, so this is the second time I'm coming to the airport in a 24-hour cycle. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty tired right now, and the plane is delayed again, man. So I'm just gonna be here a little while chilling. I'll probably catch a little nap in the car. Hopefully I don't sleep off and then he's trying to call me and then don't get me. But WestJet, why are all the flights being delayed today? I have no idea. So I'm at the airport again, just waiting. We'll keep you guys posted as soon as he's here, alright? 20 minutes later, guys. Guys, by the time I'm done, you guys will know this airport inside out. Definitely. Another trip to the airport, guys. Yes, guys, so I'm back home right now. It's now 10 minutes to 2 in the morning. Funny enough, going to the airport, I was a bit sleepy, but reaching back home is like all the sleep disappear. But I need to force myself to sleep because I have work in the morning, right? But that's it. Welcome to Grande Prairie Raj. Raj is a bit camera shy. We always try to respect everyone. If they don't want to go on camera, we don't force them or anything like that. So Raj was a bit camera shy, so yeah, we just left that as is. So again, he's moving from Montreal. He's been living there for a year now, but find it difficult to learn French. And apparently, if you don't know French in Montreal or in Quebec, you are at a disadvantage. So because of that, he wasn't able to get a job and just integrate the way he wanted to. So he's here now, English speaking town. Northwestern Alberta, Grande Prairie. So if you guys are in a similar situation and you are thinking of where to move to, consider this place called Grande Prairie, Alberta. Went earlier, pick up a different family, as you guys can see, moving from Scarborough. Now Raj is moving from Montreal. People are seeing the light. The bigger cities are not always the best, right? Not all like glitters is gold. But it is what it is. I'm really excited for both persons starting their Grande Prairie journey. And of course, we're there to assist in any way we can. Again, if you guys are here to the end, please hit that subscribe button, smash a like on this video, and drop a comment. Until next time, guys, good morning, good night, good afternoon. See you guys in the next video. Peace.